SendGrid is an email delivery service that helps you send transactional and marketing emails. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a SendGrid account. Visit the SendGrid website. Go to the SendGrid website. Sign up. On the homepage, click on Start for free to begin the sign-up process. You will be asked to provide your name, email address, and password to create an account. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account. Choose a plan. After signing up, you'll be prompted to choose a plan. SendGrid offers a free tier as well as paid plans for higher email volumes. Verify your email. SendGrid will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Complete your profile. Once your email is verified, log into your SendGrid account and complete your profile with information about your business and email sending preferences. Set up email sending. To start sending emails, you need to set up a sending domain and API keys. Follow the prompts in SendGrid to connect your domain and integrate with your website or application.